Welcome to Arcade, where you can play loops, samples, and instruments in an always growing library of thousands of sounds. With powerful effects, deep customization tools, and the ability to build samplers and instruments using any audio, it's easy to make Arcade your own. When you first open Arcade, either as a standalone instrument or within a DAW for recording, you'll see the home page. This is where you'll discover the latest sounds and suggestions tailored to your musical taste. Along the left, you can navigate to the search page. This is where you can filter and browse the entire Arcade library of samplers, instruments, and samples. The next tab takes you to the lines page. All of the sounds in Arcade are organized into lines, which are collections that fit a common theme or musical purpose. Lines can contain samplers and instruments, as well as the individual samples used to build them. Click the play button to preview a kit, and download any that you would like to use. Samplers contain samples mapped across 15 white keys on your MIDI controller, or the middle row of your computer keyboard. The black keys, or next row up, have real-time effects called modifiers that change up the samples in various ways. All samplers have 4 macro sliders that allow you to further craft your tone. Easily set the key to match your session. Every parameter can be customized using the tweak page. Arcade's instruments work like a synth or piano. Pitches correspond to the notes on the keyboard, and you can play chords, melodies, bass lines, and more. On the tweak page, you can adjust the layers, mix, modulation, macros, and Arpeggiator. Further down on the left is the Your Stuff page. This is where everything that you've downloaded or favorited will show up, along with any samplers and instruments that you've customized or built, as well as any audio that you've imported. Creating your own sampler is simple. Import a longer sample. Click Generate a Sampler, and let Arcade do the rest. Customize the slicing and macros to your liking. When you're all set, save your kit. If you prefer to start from scratch, click Create New Sampler or Instrument. Choose any audio from your desktop or the Samples page. Then drag and drop the audio onto any key to get started. To find helpful info, tips, tricks, and more, head to the Learn page. Below that, the Settings page will allow you to adjust audio, MIDI, content storage, window size, and your user profile. Arcade is an inspiration machine with new content delivered regularly and tools to transform it all so it sounds like you. The best way to get started is to start playing.